How to enable dark mode on Google Maps. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the dark mode feature on Google Maps. Okay, straight into it. So first, what you want to do is open up the Google Map apps, which I've done here on my phone. As you can see, this is currently in the light mode feature. Now to enable dark mode, what you want to do is click on your profile button in the top right hand corner. Then next, tap on settings. And near the top you can see where it says theme. So click on theme. Now here it will give you the options of always in light theme, always in dark theme, or same as device theme. So whatever you have on your default settings on your device. I'm going to change this one to always in dark theme and then tap on save. As you can see, it's now in dark theme. And now if I go back to the maps, I zoom in, you can see that even the maps are in dark theme mode. And that's all it takes to enable dark mode feature on Google Maps on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.